Betsy, and today we have a fun video for you. Now, if you notice, I'm going to be wearing the same outfit in 6 videos in a row because I got 3 subscription boxes in yesterday and 3 of them in today, and I was super excited. I want to get them opened up to be able to see what all I got. It's kind of funny because like a lot of these I ordered at the beginning of last month and they're just finally coming in. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This retails for $24. I paid for this myself, and you get I think 5 to 6 full-size products in here. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. I did cut the tape, but I haven't done anything else, and this is May 2020. So when you open her up, it looks like this. It says discover yourself. There is some foam in here, and then that doesn't give me any information on what's in here. So the first thing that I see is a set of brushes from Tarte, which is from the Sugar Rush line of Tarte, which is the A+ brush set. So they look like pencils, and they're called Stay Sharp, Write Your Story, and Goal Getter. And then they have the points like pencils. Super cute. Awesome sauce. I always love getting new brushes, even though I have a bajillion of them. That just means I don't have to wash them. Next up is the Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. We'll have to get that tried. It says extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. We always love a mask. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the makeup bag. So this is what the makeup bag looks like. It's cute. I typically don't keep a makeup bag in my purse. I carry a teeny little purse. But typically with the way that I do my makeup, it stays on all day. Next up is I got a Tarteist lip paint, the Tarteist lip paint from Tarte in the shade Front Row. It's a good mauve neutral. Awesome sauce. What else? Okay, I also got, this is a special edition Nomad Cosmetics Sydney Bathers, I think is what it said. So this is just made for Ipsy. I've never tried Nomad Cosmetics before, and it looks like it's a bronzer and highlighter palette. Awesome. That's pretty. That bronzer looks pale, but I don't know how it'll show up on my face. Actually, that might be a good color. Oh, I'm excited to try this. This shade, Balmoral Beach, this highlight shade. Ooh, that's pretty. I haven't tried that. We'll see how that goes on my actual face. Because swatching stuff, you never can tell. And then last but not least, I did get a Colored Rain eyeshadow palette, and this is Vineyard Soiree. So let's open her up. Oh, it's a tiny little palette. Well, I mean, I could tell that it was tiny from the outside, but it didn't. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's like a cool toned purpley. Ooh, that shimmer right there in the center. There's no name on it. That purpley. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Look at that color. I cannot wait to play with that. Let's test out the mattes. Ooh, look how beautifully that's swatched. Let's go ahead and swatch one more. Beautiful. I cannot wait to play with this. So, all in all, I did not get any products I already own. So, I would definitely recommend the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. They're $25 a month. Super cute stuff. I'm excited to play with it. Now, remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. I post new videos typically every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I guess that's it. So, we shall see y'all on Wednesday.